banshimnya ka kalong ka vaksin ka banyada waju syashkor ya ki hamsaya ki basyukor ya jing shisha lahanong kendong wat ruhasar tungin ya penraya ka kubor badai banshim ka lajing yada lingba vaksin layo mentar hoi kiu
vaksin kadai hikatika kumbala ai hapor menchwa legu biru kalat mentar dawai kabanyada corona
kulok wat syapin banshimnya ka kalong ka vaksin ka banyada waju syashkor ya ki hamsaya ki basyukor ya jing shisha lahanong kendong wat ruhasar tungin ya penraya ka kubor badai banshim ka lajing yada lingba vaksin layo mentar
ringkat vaksin blayo mentar ringkat kiwei kijing yada
kulok kibas nilai bandeng yen sat ruya kikti manlat yateng
kumju kadai bangin kin mau kumba sorkar kaju pen pau
Bagyar naga ya lumpun priu Bagboy tisya katong kumbala kulok wat syapin banshimnya ka kalong ka vaksin ka banyada waju syashkor ya ki hamsaya ki basyukor ya jing shisha lahanong kendong bat ruhasar tungin ya pendaya ka kubor badai banshim ka lajing yada lingba vaksin layo mentar kulok wat syapin banshimnya ka kalong ka vaksin ka banyada waju syashkor ya ki hamsaya ki basyukor ya jing shisha lahanong kendong bat ruhasar tungin yang menraya ka kubor badai banshim ka lajing yada lingba vaksin layo mentar hoi 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 kiu
Thong ke jungi kalong pan pendo jai yang ni kujang Jepang pat kilat jong kita ke menginekren mengi kilat jing ya dabar khat nginekren pat badang ya kini ke jelang pan nginget skam ba kajing don dekat lang ke jong fi baro your presence here will be an encouragement to all who are viewing this program right now.
I'm Dr. Rajiv Sarkar. I am from the Indian Institute of Public Health, Shillong, and I am an epidemiologist. What I want to just say and emphasize, and we just saw what is happening in many parts of the country, pictures emerging out of Maharashtra, Delhi, and some other states where there are, every day we hear reports about lack of beds, lack of oxygen, and people dying just waiting for the oxygen. And really, I think we are right now, at least personally, I feel quite lucky to be in Meghalaya because I think we have much less cases as compared to the other parts, and we are doing a lot in trying to curb it. But what is more important, and as we all know, that we do not have a specific treatment for this disease as yet. We have vaccines which are available, which are marketed, which has been shown to be safe and effective against severe disease and death. And the government of India is providing the vaccinations through all the government facilities free of cost to people above 45. And I would very much urge people to come out during this time period that we have and get ourselves vaccinated so that we can try to curb the resurgence of the epidemic, the second wave that we just saw, that the whole of the country is experiencing. In Meghalaya also, we know that cases are rising. Just want to reiterate, the vaccine is safe and effective against deaths and hospitalization, and it has been proven. The data that is coming out of Israel or even UK shows that once you reach a certain proportion of vaccinations, the hospitalizations, the disease severity is really coming down. I'd be very happy to take questions, if any, regarding vaccination side effect. We have a panel of medical experts also here who would be happy to take questions.
Quite no song snow. Jong July he broke away. What la gidon kini ki instruction ki protocol ki perking ba. Ya kani ke jingelang ngilai perhat siteo shua. Wat balai mangisngo. Wakadon kam yangi bangindon kani ke jingelang watla. Ngiladon haka por menta kepada ingyong ke partial lockdown. Kalau kerjala kajungi menta kadon ini isipos ni. Ipor. Ibangila man penkrek. Panyada, ya kipat nang song snong gijongi. Nakani ka jingwan, umsaw jong kaklam, COVID-19. But kini giray, ibae jong kasarkar. Kini giray kiba kidalayathir sanibha. Namar hakajuk ke por ngitip. Bakat non ra'i ke jing ya kipat nong song snong. Hendrai kebaai jengkerman pat ingi. Banginla panlong kiba penkre. Lada ka wan kata ka khlam kum ku umsaw kum balong haki wei pat dijelah. Pat hai ini por iba mentah. Kajela katre mit bat sngi lembah ke sarkar bat baro ki badan hapok ke sarkar kinong sencar snong ki seng menteri Sabha bat kibabun kibai ru. Kidon kinong ruai kiba perkrek kerpang ingi kijing ruai. But I ya kata ka message sabaro kipad nong song snong. Ba kani ka klam gampat kut pat kadang don. Pat day na kata kadaw. Kijing betha jong sarkar. Kidang yai peteng, bat kidang yai perking. Ngikwa, bahaka ni kasfos ngi, nginla bantem, ya kan ni kakhlam. Kindiat walam day baro. Kung balong menta kasi, kajingkan balai kibalong positif kilong aspa nriu fuar mentah kasih nrei ladang ipet ya kini kibalong kibayo yu di kucang jingpang kibalong positif kadon ru kajing kermen namar kibajem kilong sispa kendai kupra te hakaju kopor bakawan kani ke umsau jong ke khlam kawan kani ke khlam hakaju kopor kawan ke jingkot jingkia bat bangin nyele ba ke jingkot jingkia akan kham tam man ya ke jing yo ya unu khlam ya kani ke khlam ya kani ke jingpa ngidon kam ban buat tek ya ki jing betha jong ke sarkar baru sekata ngilai pet ngilai ong bawan uni ku kenyang mencap senam ngimela ngimyadan jing yesu tu jing syampang atau kepor mentang ngilai yo ya ke vaksin padai hang ni ke jing kerpat kalong kaladai kepor pan perkhat pat ya ke kot ke khia ke jong pi ke jong a pet ya kajing klat hapo ka jalla ka jogi hakidi hauni upadai April jad baro kito kidai ki bakhlam ay ka vaccination baro skatang iong ki bakham salam la kam nakta e henry ngalai i kajing kala kajong ni khnyang tenginum dai ban kain sting But ke betha ke sarkar kedai ke jing betha ki bahas sudah hang ni non politics kene khlam non politics ngi hang ni kum ki medical expert ngi wan chapi ipat ba ban sngap ke jing ke ba phia kendu but ke ba phim shai halor kene ke khlam ban ladang yo ya kita ki jing keli ki bawan nafi yang ngiru kan ai jing shai pat ngiru ngin la kan bala pat ai ke jing shai shapi
Dr. Alka Flora Marak, Ampati Civil Hospital Medical Specialist. Tawan ching unging pa sabi sini men bangi knai nga COVID-19 je ko agana. Ya sabi sini serious nga ko pa belak ka de ko anching gumakan salanti nikinga news round nikinga 안탄탄이 바속 왜 난진이 사 안탄탄이 만대랑은 안탄탄이 녹당 성단이 만대랑은 사급바랑 막 사급바랑 거 자그렁족 같증 야 사비시니 블라카니코 야 사비시니 만대코 니샷나 만아니코 안증 늑소잉아 살란티 늑소잉아 베타삭 안증 인펙티드 웅아이 베타삭 안증 치아우나 가킹아 야 사나 마뭉 등탕 만차 삼 야코로 키올 가나 바 롱탈랏 나가다 남맛 나가다 이나 삼 동자 인디오 망바 vaccination je ko ane tika shu ani chi anching ya sabisio ni ko anchan thang ko chelchak na matna ya tika ko shun anching sabisio ni up to 80 to 90% jokani ko banal jokani ko matna ama ya tika ko ra na gita darang ba kenani dongna nangja sabisi dongchap ke parang na ba shuinga ya ko bilsi yong ke parang ba shuinga ya ko aro da osol kai ni kita bilsi chi chetoni ba aba chengenok yani vaccination ko Kasapai online ya emna antan tanggo registration ka paboje takore ya vaccination ni lab ko banam gini ko ancing gemakan manange saksa sakam ko didi pabo mai ba confusion ba mai ba chanchi stretani rang ba jageto tani rang ba gwala ni rang ko nasong rong thalat na scan sim no de ya platform kata chingko naman gen chingko akanat naman gen mai ba confusion mai ba jajring ani rang dongya ode chingko amang ko clear khana joton kha gen aro matna depet ya mebarang ko antantani perang na antantani nokkuba antan nokku dongkuba manderang na gemekna nga didi phatna kita anga angni kita chingni health department ni kita ba didiat painga kasa pai vaccine ni ka pabo antang tangko antani noktangni manderang ko antantani asongko kasa pai naljoko ni na delangbu mutela
ngata Dr. Dilalu heni por klami pi chpangkani ka program wai chpang ile penmanikani program hai kiten penarma ta kamade yo pi hakini kisngi kini ki bana amin kini ki tia uda lai the yo phi wa kani ka pandemic kani ka klam nang jor ka kani ka second wave mem de man ka kam nang chwa apor ka first wave idang yo por yu rin same on wante hakani ka second wave mem por de mi nang mi kisngi nang bon kita ki bro ki woman positive ma ta hai ni pa pentip chiki pai ba oto wa kito ki steps kaman u le I cha thaw em pej ba lane hayung hasem steps ki wada hikaina do dang chwa kaman u proven ya kan ni ka klam ko wi to ko dan mas hawla chuan war to set kikti ole to wi jangai no wi so wi at least 1 to 2 meters. Begini step ndo dang chua de ami ki. Ti hakani ko por nado ka first wave hado ka second wave mot man kan ni mi ka second wave. Hati ki por da em ki por wada duna case. Em ki por wada duna ki case mi duwi artali doni case. Te I de chim mem de chim kia ye te pon em ka mi kita gile te ligi steps. Mem de chim kiai ida man complacent ni kama ong yang pereng te nete daw mot ladaki buru mbin giu chimi gini mbin giu paj ikini ki steps koda betai de Department of Health nado dang chwa nado no dang kan ni ka klam te kan ni ka kejut te pitip vi wobi kan no wi so wi buru ka close contact to em kam ha wobi nu knyang no wi so wi buru te ladang im le I gini step so dahi kai te mun do so phiang cho ka do ku cho ka do bon cho kita ki case do poi ka to ka kaman ong ka do poi ka ta ka pot wa do man kam la sier wa you bro one thaw la you man positive te to yang last year this year on I the yo is ka wi ka atier hakating kun yang I wo new corona COVID-19 ma the yo I ka vaccine kani ka vaccine to ko man safe ko bha to ko pen stom bro de kani ka vaccine la da penyo ko ye ko yada yo bro ne wo yo new COVID-19 to bon yo ko bar bon yo ha social media bon yo ha news and everything ba da ka tingklan yang ni vaksin tok dun rupau ni apa persen leni 80% ma tangwa kowi tok bakla gi bro perkat wa dun rupau persen ti la yo kromo kowi tok bakla gi tok Kau ni vaksin nu manu 100% effective. Ma, kereka 100% to prevent ngau ong cari yang keren tiau betayan yang benar to prevent serious illness and death. Uni vaksin ye yudai pi nei man serious yang kijut yang pi, wei nei yap. I tok frekuensi kata. Nei tai daw I ni wara nado no one gani vaccine wara ka health department dia kerpat ia so many people mot ia ka pitba I wara mal penyo he media da penyo he ka gobor da penyo in every possible channel through radio wah vaccine is important em kam gani vaccine e ka pi armut artali ki jingman toy ma kowi to Penduna kaya kata chance yo apiga COVID-19. And the second one is the proof haki studies wa the ABN vaccine the cut off chance of transmission that yo COVID-19 pi by 30 to 40%. Tapi nyo lada vaccine pi lada vaccinate pi I mean the etika pi lada yo pi kanila piu pi ka mild illness ka kejut ko kejak gawa entok very serious ko mam ka mulai hospital that is number 1 and number 2 la sokowi wa Kata chance o A pi. Apa chow tip pi otok pi man pi positive. Ka chance o A pi yaki wa hayung yong pi dunna haga. Telah lelak patan pi sikit lagi COVID appropriate behaviors wa ongi ketu otok den mask, social distancing and this one. Kata chance nang dunna chok ka. The vaccination tok wa MK ba, wa etika tok wa MK ba ila. Ni ba I ko ai wa lek na gani. Iko ayo lek naga jing wit yong kani ka klam. Tengah kerpat e orok ki bro. Wa hamting. Wan cakaman. Wan A vaksin. Yiki tu kuarda to uyo. Kamanda A diki protokol diki I. Kamanda penbenar wa sarkar wa kini ki bro de yo de to uyo ki. Siapa wan cakamat. Wan A. Ne bah kani ke to we nek etayar ko yeo ya ichok yo to COVID-19. So we have to use that atiar. Lada em kata atiar da em go I. Tang im pen em kam kata what is the point?
Now we would open for discussion. Let's go ahead. Please introduce yourself and you can proceed with your question, sir.
I'm Manoj Das. I represent the Times of India. So I just have one query. We all know that 18 above vaccination could not take off in Meghalaya today. So what is the position and when can we expect it happening? And just one more question. Is there chances for children to be vaccinated in the near future? Thank you.
Thank you for the question. I'm Dr. Lalu. I'm a specialist in community medicine and also assisting the state immunization officer. So regarding this 18 and above immunization, we were supposed to start today as per the, the instructions released by the government of India. But as you know, we have also released an advisory that we do not have vaccines for the age group of 18 to 44 as yet. So it is not possible for us to start. We have placed our order with the Serum Institute in Pune, and we have got the, the communication that the vaccines will be arriving in a time of 4 weeks. So by that time, when when vaccines are available, we will plan out and we will intimate the public when vaccination will start. Okay, and regarding the 45 and above, that vaccination will continue for those age group, for the healthcare worker, frontline worker, and for the 45 plus. But for the 18 and 44, that is still pending. So I do not want anyone to panic saying that for the 44 plus, we are not able to vaccinate. That will continue. Then regarding the children that you have mentioned, as of now, Government of India does not have any vaccine for the children, and I believe we do not have any studies or any vaccine in which have been recommended for children as of now. So when those are available, I am sure that the Government of India also will allow the children to be vaccinated.
Doctor, can I quickly ask one more thing? We have heard that there are certain, in the age group of 18 to 44, who have faced a bit of trouble, in getting themselves registered through your online.
Yes, registration started from 28th of April, and we have only allowed for online registration because the Government of India knows that if we allow spot registration, there will be a lot of crowd. So in order to contain the crowd, it has allowed the online registrations to happen. Yes, many people are very eager to get this vaccine. And as you know, so many people are registering at the same time all over the country. So there is a chance that the server has crashed or there is a slowdown in the server. But of course, they can continue and try. They will be able to register themselves.
My name is Mr. Sri Shulai. I have a question for the medical expert. Number one, we have seen that for prevention of COVID-19. Wearing masks, washing hands, and social distance prevent us from contacting this disease. So I just want to know what is the efficacy of practicing these protocols, so that if you can explain to the general public, because most at present, most of the public has taken it lightly. They don't follow this protocol. Number two, in our country, there are at present 3 injection vaccine has been approved by the government of India. One is Covaxin, one is Covaxil, and for emergency, Sputnik has been approved by the ICMR recently. So I just want to know what is the efficacy of these vaccines, so that if you can explain it, the people in general, they will come forward to keep themselves, for this injection. Because up till now, people have got doubt. Some of them they said, oh, there's nothing. Even if you give this injection also, it will be the same. But if the medical expert can explain
Absolutely.
what is the efficacy of the vaccine, then I think the people will come forward.
What you have said, those 3 W's, wearing mask, washing hands, and social distancing. Now, if we do all those 3 procedures correctly, wearing mask doesn't mean that wearing, just for namesake, some people don't cover their nose properly, they don't cover their mouth properly, okay, and they don't cover sometimes you see them roaming with the mask on the chin. So, using the mask properly, that is very important, not just having a mask. Then having the right kind of mask. Of course, many people are, nowadays we have different kind of masks in the market. We have cloth masks, we have the 3-layer mask, we have the N95 mask. So different masks have different, some studies have suggested that these N95 masks, the ones that, I'm wearing right now, N95 masks, they offer a protection of 97% protection, 97 to 99% protection. Whereas these triple layer masks, they also offer 95 to 97% of protection. Cloth masks are up to 95% of protection, but some protection is being given. Okay, so maximum protection is given by these N95 masks. However, Government of India has strictly said that N95 has to be, worn by the medical, healthcare workers. Okay, so that is what is available right now. Regarding hand washing, as you know, earlier also we have mentioned that these are viruses, which they even with the hand sanitizer they will be killed. Okay. And then social distancing. We have to maintain at least 6 feet of distance, because it has been seen that what we had seen is that coughing or sneezing. These are how these viruses are being spread to the people nearby. So that is why we have said that we maintain the distance of 6 feet. So now, regarding vaccines. Covishield, we have a range of, we don't say the exact, the only one, there's not a single, efficacy. There is a range, 60 to 80% we say. While we say 60 is when you get the first dose, you get at least 60% of protection. But when you get the second dose, that is when your the efficacy increases. So because you need to understand that you need to get both doses. Some people take only the first dose and they leave it at that. They don't take the second dose. There are many examples even in the state where they have taken only first dose and second dose they have not taken, believing that one is enough. So please understand that by taking 2 doses, the efficacy increases. of the vaccine. So it's the same thing with Covaxin also. There is the efficacy is also 60% to 85% of efficacy is given for Covaxin. Sputnik, in fact, all three vaccines, this efficacy is almost similar. And that is why the government of India has approved these three vaccines for emergency use. Since we are in a pandemic situation, we need to have these vaccines in order to protect ourselves from severe illness and hospitalization, and also to break the chain of transmission. These are the three vaccines that are available. As of now, Sputnik, we have not been given, but Covishield has been supplied to Meghalaya, and only few states have got the Covaxin.
This is a question from Clement Maulong. Iba Clement Maulong ikli. Kibla yo ya first dose. Kila batha yaki ya sngi ban wanshim ya second dose. Don't come na em ban register biang.
Bafin register ialah dia filadep yo ni filali register filayo ya ka first dose. Na mentah ka second dose film dan kam men register fin syura tang ketuka ka ID ka ba filal ya ka first dose filira ya ketuka ID ni ketuka jo ka ID finra ba ka vaccination center nang ta finyo ya ka second dose. Fin namar ba haka app fi hangi man ngi register ya iwe brio ba yo ya ka vaccine haka taka CoWIN app bangi ong ni. Sisin ba fila register pin kadon kata ka jaka bakit nong pilayo first dose ne pilayo second dose. Lada pilayo first dose kala pedi ba pilayo second dose bat ba pila de diu ya ka
second dose. Kim nang kam register kata long ko bla syai ba kim nang kam ya ka second dose kim nang kam ban register.
Bat ba fidi ban ai da katuka ju ka phone number ka ba pi ai ha ka por ba fishim ya ka first dose.
Recently there was a family who had gone for vaccination. They did not receive the provisional certificate. This is not the only family, but there are a couple of families who have not received. So in this case, what happened?
Okay. Yes, that has happened. Many individuals have, they did not get the provisional certificate. We have, there is a URL link that is being given to them. Usually, if they don't get that certificate at the session site, that URL is given to them at the mobile that mobile number that they get. SMS is given. So if they click on that URL link, they will be able to access the certificate.
Yeah. But in this case, the person did not even get it she did not receive an SMS. So what happened? That's what. There's a lot of slackness.
Yes.
Yeah, I'll just add to that. See, once they've registered for the vaccination, they will have to provide a mobile number to register. So the thing is, at times, maybe because the system is overloaded, they may not get an instantaneous SMS. They should not worry. Once they go home, get a network connection, Google CoWIN, register yourself with that same number with which they've registered. Immediately once the system recognizes that number, it'll immediately take that person to that profile. It'll show that in that profile, it'll show that the person has been vaccinated, and from that app they can download it. They can download the provisional certificate separately. And whenever they're due for the second shot also, they will the app will notify. Once they log in there, they will be notified that when is the expected range, because now it is 6 to 8 weeks. When is the expected range in which they can take their second shot, and then they can automatically schedule an appointment there and then.
Excuse me, let me be very clear on this. This incident had occurred in the Shillong Law College a few days ago.
Right.
There was a family who had gone for vaccination. The person, most probably it was the nurse, they told the person that you'll be receiving an SMS. Amazingly, like the person did not, till date, has not received an SMS on this.
They may not always receive an SMS. That is why they should always go to the CoWIN, and with the same phone number with which they've given for registration, log in with that phone number.
They even tried that.
There may be isolated cases.
Yeah.
There may be isolated cases.
I even tried this morning, ma'am. So that's not working.
We are still in the technology part. sometimes this technology also fails us. But don't forget that when you go for the vaccination, you go physically yourself. I think when we have been vaccinated, that anxiety is always there with the person who has been vaccinated if the document which proves that he has been vaccinated is not available with him. So in the same manner that whatever we have put in place with the technology available, when it fails us, there is no harm in going back to the site. There is no harm in calling the people where we have provided the numbers to ask or to question why I have not received my certificate so far. And when that happens, then it is the duty of our department to see to it that the documents which are supposed to be provided to the person concerned are made available. There are instances where people had to go outside. We can't provide the certificate immediately. Sometimes the net is down, especially in the rural areas. We give them a written certificate and then supplement that with the certificate generated from the system. That's how we do it. You have pointed out to us this problem. We have the district team here. Let them follow up, and then they will talk to you also once we get the family, the name of the people in the family, and then we'll work on it and find out what is the actual problem. Thank you.
Kakirteng junga di ba starving pra kasi editor junga SP News Agency di online news. Ter banga skua ban keli lane haju opor nga kwa ruban yo ga jing syai la de lane ya barok to ba sngap ya ni ka live kan ga jing peni ba banta. Kat kum ga jing khenyi bala ai do chief minister long ba ngidon kumban rulak steng ki bru bala palat ya ka sau san snem chaneng. Andai kiba poi banai injek hadu mentah nang long adlak steng. Te haga jing siam jonga habang ayat sharom chaneng gawai ki jing ya long ba kibriu ki i ba sin ba le ain jak kadang to ka jing stom long no hap thia si sngi ar sngi. Te gane ka bala penting ya kibriu ba kinlek banai injek. Te hato ka dan nagalian jonga health department ban kan compensai shu sia kibriu ya gane kajing sistem ke bagi beriu kia kendo onda kila ain jak hoi kidan ki bom delay ru nga yala de ngala let mana ain jeng hai ngam semdan kono ka side effect rem ha kamet jonga andai ngai i wat perlo jonga kidan ru ki ba yo e ne kajing pang ta kham tam na ngi khasi ngi kham ngi bit ngi kham ngi ya ka hana om ya kajing sisya ta lada beriu ong hana kham ngi ya kata bani ong lada beriu ong menta ka jia menta ta hatu ka health department katna ko ka khia kadon em galak lanti ban kapan sya syu ya gane kna bagi beriu kin wan sakmat ban yada ya lade ya kayin ka sem ba dia ka jela na gane ka jingpang
nga ni Dr. Meban Karkungwar ni in charge medicine department of Roberts Hospital ti pindayo i ya ka side effect ka ba ya ka ba wan bat uniu covid covid vaccine ngila ban ong ba ngila wan phia ki side effect ki ba he kiba side effect kiba mulumala te hapo Meghalaya hi la palat arlak tam kiba la vaccinate umdan satia uweiru ubayo ega side effect kaba jur te ki side effect ba mulumala kila ban long hum jing thamet kila ban don jing ajmet shimet kila ban don jing telot shisngi hapo khatar kentai ei te kita ki long kiba rit shisha hakaban nu jor bat ke ei kaba u ai uneu tika ya kajing yada persya ya gani kajing sistem. Te kidon kibriyo kibayo haka injection ke first dose. ki don ki bayo haga injection second dose kim yo ka first dose ki belayo ka first dose mun sin kim yo ka second dose te kini ki side effects ki long shisha ki ba rit ki bangidang lahi ban priang habang ipek bauni utika uyada na kajingyap te habangi ong ba under don kam ban syong yeng shiteng sngi hatu kadai ke ban penlong no yang i ban ong em na ka bang ngasyuk thamet sisngi em ngan ris yala kajong kajing em ba kala wan kajingyap te kata ke ba ngi kwa hi ban penrung ha kajing mut jing perkhat jong ki pa ki ba pet ye kani program ba haba pidi ye ki dawai kanu ka dawai bu yong khliru phila ban syok samthia sisngi u antibiotics phila ban su khpa ki vaksin ha bangi ai ki khlung sisngi ngi ai mentas ngi ars ngi ki pang ki khlung ki mla ban bam don ki ba ki telot don ki ba ki syam lun nyar da simit nrai haba yon nujor bat ke ba kani ketika ka kular yangi ka kular ki khlung jongi ka kular ki kime kular ki khpa hatu kamlong kal kedai ke bangi mla ban priang se bonong ba ngin pang met sisien arsin sisngi arsngi nengin tha ngin don jing shit simen kita ki basuk mun sumar uwai parastamol uba syongdor sipia tengka lalaban sumar ya kita ki te nakal yang jongi tengi kentu ba nai khmi lenti ba war khot kan long bet 6% bangin suang bet ba un suwan be utau wonder drug wonder pill wonder protection uba simit klem da ai klem da pentut yang itang hendiat ro man suang okay nang ni khmat on om lelai shu philayo i ke jing cha be giri pitip ba ngiru ngidang don ha ke jing ma ke state ke berit ki hospitals ki duna ki brio kinda sitam mentale ki la sedang ki ke nong kumno ka generation jongi ki brio ki ba nang he nang san menta dei ki ba kham telot mani ki iban ki long shwa jongi pinda pe ya ki paiet ki miet jongi ki ba prapo san snem bobon balang naki kidang yat kidang yeng hendrai menta ki brio ki baladon saupo san snem ladon laki jongi jing stom sini ladon ki jing pang bipi ban yat ki jat ki miat shu tekani kadai ka ba bhadu ka ba kawan khmat jongi bonong ba kan ya da yang inu niu naka jing pun jular jong covid te kata kali ka im ba borok ngi kren baik ba ladangi sim niu tika ngindang yo hendrai ka im lada boyong kli hatu fitiang lada shudon jings ajmet si singar singi hatu fitiang ne ngitiang baik bandong ngi kwa baik ban yada naka jing yap naka jing stomjur sisin batia hospital ke jinglut ye ke yang kesam go babon kita ki di jungkular ki ba uniu tika u wan yelam
sa ngade Russell editor yang selat najuai tengah kuak kolam ini yang pernah kejengkeli atau pengkrek na yang scan wave kam kerjelai warak kowe wayoi tahaman lagi distrik yang jelai yang tak iman ni ki hospital ki tausumari tak man ki referral center tak kat kang jing tip ke yo tak dang tunai ki tiar sumar se oxygen ni ventilators ni ki wan tak kam kejuai de yo hadin wan kini ki beru ki wasa cebar kena pure most of the case tak kritonis tak wan ra ki positive case yoi hagni ki ya yo spike em ke case te ye ong to gni to second spike second wave yang covid lani ke jela yang pengkreh ke ma ko pembiang ye tiar sumar ha hospital kam go juai IMI ke MCH to nyapau teli jing thia to kauman ka te IDM kita type C type B patient and type A most of them are isolated at home lani ke wada chongset ko yung ta hai ni kejengkeli tak kemehelia ready kena mpem ready kena yang second wave tak kedua dawan whether we register or not vaccine will come kedua dawan ke tak you ila muka vaccination yang 45 plus tak ada large kemat you am improvement tang keyi ka kejengkeli tak are we ready ngilang ke pengkrek de pengkrek mo mpu em mo yang second wave yang covid
ku boleh cebun mai ketiga jengkeli yang pi
Baik, itip hi dari depan benar hi do Prime Minister yang ke India lah, atau ikat ni em ke second wave. Mah, mi dia dunai kata, ida em ke second wave. Mah, itu iu depan kre inem pun kre inem mah. Kata dang lai ke kat ni lah, dang yelek baik, dang yi baik, kadang yi kun baik kata. Mah, mem chong hai, mem bu hai atau yang cua hadu wan ka, mem lek igam te. Kan ni le dang perchang i open kui kita ki facility yang i keleng ke state. Nah, what apa kemahania Shillong le katu raumi saartali ki COVID facility. Kiwi ki hospital Chiwi district le da ongsar last time wata open kui ki. Da open biang i kitar. Kan ni it's a going on process ma. So if you are lada ong being are we ready right now? Then maybe not. But we are trying to get there. Dang ye lai, dang ye head is it. Yo man ready ma.
Oxygen skum ke ventilators ni hajuai ni dantang ke wai ke ventilators tak ke MCH kedai ke wai ke ba sumar ya baro patients was giant hills.
Ta kita ki mesin kita ki ke state da percanggo da penyo ke it'll be supplied ma da ke keleng ke district pai mong du ye ke juai na it'll be all over na ini da distribute ki keleng ma te karo yo te kacak kat wa ye chwa mi ye sin na
pen kre ka jungi kumofi nhiều phu thia ya ka nhiều phu thia ngila long di pen kre ya ka oxygen ngila dap ai lot idi type ibi type filatip hi hakadu ka benta hakajing pen kre ngiso bakal abyang pat barok shikataru ngiabyang. All this time we have been preparing, and what we have now is what we have been preparing for now. Now seeing nangilai ke baja shaki weipat ijalla. Niso ini jiput kre jungi teng ilong ibadang iduna. Nangilai tais ya thir sani bhalor kade. Apo government ngidon ini window period ngiyong menta suppose ngi bangin la pantem yaw ngiu knyang khnang ba ke ka bangidon menta ngin la ban ai ka ching sumar ka papaka bar ka bahatam yakinu ki bastam menta hakaju ka por kani ka window period ka bangiyo mangi ngidang pen kre ngidang order gini cylinder show ngong meneng la pen bata ong meneng bakadon ka cryogenic oxygen plant ya kitchen thia ya ka manpower kamut ya kinong tre bangin ICU siki hospital ngin ICU siki jaka sumar barkhat but kabakong sana khmat ka jungi menta kalong kani lada ngilayo ya ka vaccination kaban ay boringi beta kalong halor kadi naman na filayo ko vaccination ngitip siya da filayo tang si dos lu lani ardos lu kani kajing sitam lada filong positif kalahir but pimdon kam malich ka chaki hospital kumbalong mentah kibasupang malu malaru pelasidon symptom kilapoi sa hospital. It puts a lot of strain on the hospital and on the workers. But ladaka one shisha kani the search if the real search comes. By the time we put them in the hospitals, we will find that our resources are depleted and our manpower are exhausted. We don't want this to happen. Ngimkwa ay kani bakancha. Nakatakadaw ngisa ay kani kakubor. Ngisa one cut ay kani kajingalang. Nakaway kapor si kuy kapor. ngia selok bagi nang bas nong, ngia selok bagi nong sensar nong. Baka bakongsan mentah kadai, but ayah ke vaccination. Kanu ke bawan hi kajing bahaya, kacidan, kat kajing ketang. Henry ke kani kajing bahaya ke bahaya fi, kajing bang ba kajing tiang, kalong kam slam, mani itu kajing ketang ni batang sipor.
Sengap ya kani ko kajing kali, kapa ila pertu ila pak mo. But I kong ila pertu ide barang armet. But yong kumni I am on second trimester. Kani kadi kabawan lengba ka Facebook live ka jongi yong kumni I am on second trimester. Is there any greater risk for a pregnant woman if she contract the COVID-19 disease? But kumju sakoi kajing kili ka wede but kani hi kalong ba kajing kili ka bang aba kwa bang bu kalong hatu kani ka vaksin kadang kajing kata na ya kilong kami kiba armet.
Kaketeng jong ngari doktor Luprilin Melim Umrong, ngari obstetrician and gynecologist. Hakajuko puaru ngari medical superintendent jong ka Tirot Singh Memorial Hospital apo Mairang West Kasihel. Kat bang adang sengap ya kajing yatai kajing keli. Nama na yala dia bang ada by profession ngari gynecologist, ngari obstetrician tengah si yo bahai kum kini ki jengkeli. Hamtam leni kinong pang lajong ki bawan man sim dawai. Ban keli mangi doktor ngarong adan kam man sim ya kani ke vaccination. Kani kadi ka nomor balai kalong ke badan kam ha naman ngiong ba kilong kemi ki ba armet. Bat kilong kemi ki badang red kelong. Ki badang dan kam man ai ka bunyi kelong. Ngiong ba ki dai ki high risk group. Kidai maki ru ki badan padang gajung duna hakaliang jong kata immunity dan ka bor banyele persya unit kenyang jengpang tenrai hakari India jongi hiborok away katkum ka guidelines kabala ong da ministry jong health and family welfare wala nakaliang jongi ngisngo wakini kidan kam yak injection tenrai nakadaw bahado menta hakapor bekile yakne ka trials ban ai vaccination nakabanta jong kilong kemi ki ba armet bat nakabanta kilong kemi barang ai bun khon klem sha bat include klem don kini kilong kemi ki ba armet bat ki ba ai bun khon hakani ka trials dena takadaw ka government of India haga guidelines ka bagi penmi ki ong ba kilong kemi ki ba armet ba ya gitu ki barang ai bun khlong kinom ai yakani ka injection kata kadi gowe daga pangaong kumta kamut panong ba kilong kemi ki ba armet bat kilong kemi ki barang ai bun khlong kinya kat bamon kinom follow ya kita ki standard operative procedures ban phong ki mas ban sai ki kiti ban le khot kata kamut namar balai kumang ong nong kini ki high risk group of pregnancy tengah hakan ya kapor bang ong high risk group menta shubo menta lada staff nurse jongi niong kita ki frontline health worker. Lara kini menta kilong kisipai ki jongi hakane katma jong kuni COVID-19 pandemic. Kini kita ki balapos shubo menta haki COVID hospital. Haka baki ki trai. Hatu kini kimdon ka hok baki la banyo ya kajing ada nuni kenyang jengpang. Na takadaw ka guidelines kam ong haka ministry biki ong watnom ai ka syong menta. Haka kam ka jam ka itai kentai ba armet itrai mentala dama i expose yala di shauni COVID-19 hapo ki ward i nakadaw to kajing pamyo jong i ka vaccination shiwo mentala da i contract i ka disease shiwo menta i jo akajing sitang bajur ilaban klatno hato nginchu hun tang hangta kata kamut kajing patay jong hani kapor kamut kasyong haki doktor ki bapet ya ka case to case kan ihapet dia kano kajing mentoy hato ka mentoy banyo vaccination na ka mentoy banyo i kajing pangot banyap ha kajing pang wala hado menta ki trials ki bangiyo i kumbang ila i bo uni kenyang jing pang upaw na do mensiam snem arajar arpau ngimda dan ki datas ngimda dan kita ki studies ki bolok special kamtam e nam ta ki pregnant mother but ki lactating mother manong ki ba phimdai ban sim vaccination Henry, kasyong pat dekan. Ha ita ikong lanie itai batray hakano ka department la bandai ka police department la dama dai menta ki frontline worker ki badai hak hamat do iban ko ila ban cha kontrak ke disease ila ban yo ini jung pang covid ila ban claim no ila ban sitom jor ila ban klat no dia dat poi ke ki por ni hak ban pekin ke ke jing mentoi bangin ai bat ke jing bo mentai ladangim ai te ka syong menta hangi iwai hang ni bangi don kham tam le hakum kani ka por pandemic ka bangi ong ka jeng em jong ki iwai kin thai ba long ke me ki ba armet bat ki khelong ru ila jiyo he kini kisnam maladab nakadaw jong kani ka pandemic ka bangi lai nadu usnam arhajar arfau hau banai april nadu banai april hadu ki banai agas ngilayo ya ki jeng yap jong ki long ke me ya ki jeng yap jong ki khelong yim kwa ken kum kani ro kan wan jab yang hapo kari ke jongi nakadakadaw sa sisian pan ngaban nakabanta jong ikong ila ngataray ibala keli kani ke jeng keli ngasbutanat cibon banganyo ban pesah kani kapor namar hado mata ka government of India kapat ai instruction yingi bang yong bagi dai ban ai injection henry ka syong pada hakitaki lain ki banga ngala batay menta
Kendiat ngakwa ban at siya ban. Okay. From public health point of view, kumbala ongi madam kadan ke directions bagi mela ban ai vaksin de kiba armet. Ti kata kadaw ngakwa ban ba barok ki bahayeng jong kiba armet kibalong eligible ban ai vaksin kide ban wan ai vaksin. Kenang ba itai ba armet inyo jingyada nau neu jingpang.
Boleh doktor. Ma'am.
Mentai kemut ya kiba armet buat ya kiba dang red cone kiba dang ai bun khlung haka guideline ke jongi ngimpat ai ya ka inject bat kampat don hi kanu ka jing batha nakaleng ka sarkar wala specialist jongi isngo ba ngi haka jing start jongi doktor bikin rai bat kawai ya ngila batha hi shaki hospital barhat ki jongi bat kilale hi kumta ba yakini ki ba armet bat kiban nang armet ki ba plan ki pregnancy hi ngin numbo duty hapok covid ward.
I'm Ivan. I write for the Meghalaya Guardian. I have 3 questions. One is, what makes this COVID-19 2021 to be, what makes it so virulent compared to the one which we have last year? And my second question is, when do we see an end to this crisis? And my third question is, during this, in case the health department cannot ensure that the curve is flattened after this 10-day of containment period, what will be the next course of action?
In terms of the virulence, I think there are a few things that is different that we can say from the first wave, and of course, we have been hearing a lot about the double mutant variant. So, you know, it's a question. What happens? It's a property of the virus that when there's a lot of transmission, it mutates, and sometimes the mutations would result in less transmission. Sometimes the mutations will result in higher transmissibility. In this case, from at least what we are hearing, at least the preliminary information shows that it looks like it has increased the transmissibility. Now, what happens with an increased, and that is also coupled with the fact that over the last 1 year, we have also developed a kind of a pandemic fatigue. In other words, you know, people become less, people in the sense, all of us becomes less, used to certain things, and then we inadvertently put down our guard. So this has in a way coupled together. Now, what happens when you have a highly transmissible virus? Let's say that I am transmitting the virus over 3 months to, so what happens is if it infects more number of people, even though the severe cases remain same, within a period of time, we'll see more cases, more severe cases coming up, right? Let me try to give you an example. Let's say in a month, one virus can infect 1,000 people. And let's say that the case fatality rate is 1% of that virus. So within a month, we will see, from 1,000 people, we will see 10 deaths. In the same time, if the virus infects, let's say 5 times the number, or 5,000 people, if the case fatality ratio is half, we will still see more deaths. And that is what is happening with this current pandemic with the high transmissibility. So the people, more and more people are getting infected over a shorter period of time. The overall, the absolute numbers of deaths and severe cases are increasing, although I think that in terms of the severity, from at least the data I have seen, this seems to be a bit more severe, causing a bit more clinical disease than the previous variant. But even if it is not, still we will see more people dying. That is in terms of the virulence and in terms of the difference.
Okay, then the next part is, when do we see to an end of this pandemic? When we don't get any more cases, then that is the end of the pandemic. We come to that. And how do we come to that? We'll come to that only if we follow the protocols. That is number one, strictly. We are responsible, but ngi pikir, but ngi buat kerpang, ya kijing patha jong ka health department. But ka vaccination ngan ban biang sa sisir, kadai ka ban ra, ya ka jingkut jong kani ka klam.
Hello.
Next course of action, but kalong ba, lada, kani ka suppose ni, kani ki case kim duna, kim here, kanora yak jingrai ki ba pat, dakalyang kasokar.
Asyim ya kani kalat, hakaba ombangan pos ka jingkali, handrai, manikarsan lang, ya ka ba pi pilawan ra ahmad jongi kum gidor barsnong, bat ka rules ki jongi, kibakum gidor barsnong dan kaman play. Akan ni kapor, kabang ngisngong tu, kabai doktor, hilapan pau yang ne ba, nila poi hak tak stage, hak baka ni ong kata community spreading mah, kabang mapi hilapan pau mana. Teka jingkan tu ke jonga, akan ni kapor kalong ba, kum kisnong, kalau ada kapor, hak ba ngin hak, panitri rengkat, bat ke sorkar, bat ke health department, bat kum juru, nga apil, ya kiparan nong song snong, papin sngo bah, bangin light, na ka kaba mene fly to clippings, kabela kapan ka bajia, hapo ki states ki jongi, haka negeri ke jongi, nyem kwa, ya kitu ki jingjia, kinwan urlong, haka ni jela ke jongi, ni dua yo ublay jongi, ublay ubm, unya dayangi, nakine ki jingele, halor ke jong ni kunyang jingpang, tikumta ngakarpat igi paranong syong mga secretary batkum juru irang basnong irang badong nilayo ban ai yo ni vaccine bat ngani thui pi baboro ki ba ai ni vaccine apa ko snong gajongi ngilong gi bakot gi bakya mdan kono ru ke reaction hadian bang yo ni vaccine abang ki bahiyang basam gi jongi gi bi bathan gi jongi i mei pai jongi i men gi para gi jongi sngoba kani ka de jingkarpat gi jongi ba kum ki para nong shop snong jong kan ni ka jalla ka jongi ba pin sngo bha ban wan chakmat ban ai yong new vaccine bangin light na kini ki aka ki ba yimla ban tip ki ban jia handrai abang shim new vaccine kan long ka jinga da kan long ka jida hot ki don ki ba kim kwa ban ai ya kini ka vaccine handrai ka jingan tu ka jongi ka long ba ada 50% na ki jai ban ri ka jongi ila ban ai new vaccine kamut kan wan ka jinga da sesien ngakarpat Sasisian ngakarpat, agak besngaurit, jadi para nong syong sengau bahaban wan cekmat, ban pat snok tilang, bat pastorkar, bat head department, bat kumjuru, bat ngi, iba penyat, jadi senong kita, kublai sibun.
Ikwa bantip, lada long na am kita kiba sebut ke second dose kam don su kena ka vaksin apa kini ki private center, long na am ban rai ke certificate lada. Ya apa ki government vaccination center. Dan kata jingkut saya.
Hawat ba kata ka badai ka jingkeli namar babuan ki don ka jingkul mar na bantakan ni ka vaccination dai. Kawai ka point kari ba ka vaccination haki private facilities kandang ya chakman. Kanam don ka jing pansange haduk menta kandang ya hi. Tangba ka dor ka laban don jingyap her na du mentakasngi ka laban kam dunano mensuangi ai aspa sanpo mentangi laban shimtang shispa lani kat syong kat kumka facility kebayat mentama. Number 2 ka point pada kedai ba lan em ban li ashawai hoat Lada filai, lada register first dose filai yo first dose pila banit hakanu kanu ka jakaru ba finyo ya ka second dose. Lada dei ba pilih syakau syabar jong ka jelaru pinyo hi ya ka second dose. Lada dei dakaju shubu mentah hang ni Meghalaya piyo u Covishield. Syawairu pidi ban isyem do second dose da ujuk do Covishield.
Hatu kani ka klam. Naman ni penekam da katin klam. Hatu kani klam. Ke ai ga bekisung thu mensua ka klam yang teliu ka klam ginang perkak baka sarut abagidon ka klam penhiar. Suot komot iyo sarlasar baro. Tanay balik kani kadai na kamday na ka klam. Katadi ko gijing kali. Kamaar gijing kali ngan kali senon. Kamaar gijing kali kolong. Kani gijing ay ketika. Kumpala batay lumne ka ay gijing ida. Baru si katalang baki senam beladat. Kau ladaki beriu ki klanya ketika bor yale immune system. Kau butuh kenyang jengpang uyak hi. Terkejeng kali ka bang kuat ulang. Kani ka vaccination. Kadai kata ka baai kejeng yada. But hakajo ko por kapan klanya miaka taki bor yale immune system.
Habang iong klam. Hey, habang iong klam kanu kejeng sistem. Kabakta ya ubriyo hakajuk kapor hai ipor ibaduna ibarit bat kabakta lut ya borok solensa kemut kabaya bit stet pelat na way shaway kata ka kalong kumjuk hi hakapor bangi ya kun ya smallpox haba ngi ya kun ya cholera ya ka plague kata ro kadai kajuk hi kajing karukom ya jong kajing stam habang i khot klam kemut kabakta ya borok ubriyo ha ipor ibarit bapur step. Tena kiwei kijing stam ki bangilayo I kani ka COVID-19 lay kalong kaba step do na kibaro. Te banjuba bi kata ka jingkeli jong phi habang hatu kadai sisyan em ka klam. Hak opinion jonga kani lay kala dai klam rangba. Kamut la dai super klam. Amdai shu tang ka klam kaba kum kiba borim menshwa kani kaba kham klan bor shu. Dia kata ke jingkeli jong pi sakawai ban ong ba ki tika ki barim ki aye ke jingkoi. Pendapet ya kiwei ki vaksin ru kum ka BCG bangi ai pet ba ke DPT ke measles vaksin kini baro ru ki shu ai ya ke jingya da na ke jing sitam ki ba ba ki bobon. Pendapet yung influenza vaccine ubang ngila ai kamtam iki ba khamrang ba haki hospitals ya ki ba pangsini ngisi ai manusnem uta uba la ai la ki postnem menta uba ya dai kini ki temen ki ba sitam maximum lai ke jingya da jong ta kalong tam kumbasan 4%. Andrei unia u vaccine covid against covid kular ya ke ba khambon nyau pau tu prapau persen ban yo ke jing sitam kendai pau kendai pon kendai persen banum yo ya ka jing sitam ka ba ne ya ka jing yap na uni jing sitam.
This is Priyanka from Doordarshan News, Shillong. I have three questions, and those are all on vaccines. There are a lot of myths and rumors which are being circulated in the social media platform, and some of the important one, number one, I just wanted to point out here.
Please.
If the person who got vaccinated with the first dose of COVID-19 vaccine, and if he catches the COVID-19 infection somehow, for some reasons, is he eligible for second dose of COVID-19 vaccine? Number one. Number two, we have seen that there are cases who have received the plasma donation therapy. So in that manner, they have received some kind of antibodies. So those patients are eligible for COVID-19 vaccination? From the experts, please.
Your first question was, if a person has got first dose and he got infected, right?
Yes,
and then is he eligible for the second dose? Yes. So they say that if you have got COVID disease, you have to wait another 4 to 8 weeks to get the vaccine. So after he is tested negative, then he can take the other dose of the vaccine. Okay, he has to get tested negative, wait for 4 to 8 weeks, then get the the next dose.
By the way, I'm Dr. Vijay from Nigrims. With regards to plasma therapy, See, the convalescent plasma that is given, those are all IgEs, and they are actually, it's a form of blood transfusion. So like all blood products, eventually, once they serve their purpose in somebody else's body, they will eventually get destroyed. So the plasma, the antibodies that you get from your plasma therapy is not a long-term protection. Okay, so because of that, they are still eligible for vaccination. In fact, they should get themselves vaccinated.
Ngadi di Badiel Singshai editor Jungmo Pon. Dan kau iga arteri jengkeli menungkong golong tangga kini kendiat sengi ke sorkar kerasya benda igimet yap siang. Kerasya benbu hapok pelau. Atau hodok kanu kini kolong kebala tikna kebala nukunyang jengpang undom yubin. Bat kebaar kolong kedai kebala protokol kebawan ke central government ne kedai protokol single state ne. Bat kebalai kolong hatu habadan kemet hayeng kimajan marpar ni kebahayang sem kelak banwan ni em sayeng badang kemet yam.
Ya kajing sya kajung ni bangin ras po yeng ni rapatai syai ba kani kemet kebangilap kilong positif. Nada kumnu kiklat. Nakaliang ke hospital kila seal, kila sanitize ya, kila seal, but kisah tap pada kesenduk ru kepala sanitize, but kinsa kang sebab ya ketu ke senduk kemudian ke coffin. Ia deng mas, ia saat ikti, pun ia buat di protokol ni kibaim. Namar unik yang pang ulak banpur. Ndai ngila syem, baru sikatahi, ladang ngila dadle kini, kemut utuh yang jepang umla asyuk banpur pat syakiwe. Takadau ngila syem yang negarai, ba katkum kirukom kijungi, kira aspo yeng tambah kimla banbu ia kesenduk hapo yeng, ken haban bu hapo flau. But lada don menu bolong positif kiba khlat ia po hospital. Ingat skam begini kiba hayeng ru kiba ha kaju ke yeng, kidai kiba laya dan lang marjan baik ini bolong positif. Tikiru kin shim ya i precautions joki, but kidai ban song po yeng kin isolate kumba isolate lang ye kiwei ki high risk case. But ki marjan marparu kila ban let tapi kita sabar. Kata kacing sapyang na kena met ke balada apa senduk balada sanitize. Kemut ya kicing ong gijongi bangi sanitize kicaka syong kicaka iru nginget skam bung layak tu kenyang. Hang ni dengan ladap tabli senduk kemut utuh kenyang dan ciu hang tu. Ni ai poru lai hendri kunta ba finbuk senduk shalor. Kemut hapok ke lai hendri kunta ke senduk ke adi bendan capok ke tliu batap. Lani thang katkum kirkom lani kanyam kini ki instruction ki badai jongka health hi ke bukan ministry kini ki instruction lani ki advisory baka ai ke central government ya ke state government ke health ke ke state subject tengi badai halor kini ke advisory ngi penjanai pan ngi pet katkum ke culture lani katkum ke cingim jong ki briu jongi ha ke jela ke jongi pan ngi snai ke protokol dan ngipin klan, pat ngishim lang ru hagajuk kepor, ya kacing sengau, jong ipara beriu, halor, kinu ki, jeng betah baai ke central government, kebedai berke health department, ya kata mo, na kata ngisawara ini protokol.
नमस्कार मैं प्रकाश वर्मा यूएनए न्यूज़ से
नमस्कार
सर मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ कि ये जो ऑनलाइन ट्रीटमेंट पॉसिबल है या नहीं अगर पॉसिबल है तो यहाँ डॉक्टर कितने तैयार हैं इसके लिए और मेरा सेकंड क्वेश्चन ये है सर कि अगर जैसे कि सर ने बताया कि जितने भी अगर डेड कोविड से जिसका मौत हो जाता है अगर उनको जैसे कि जिप बैग में रखा जाता है ताकि मतलब वो बीमारी फैले ना तो जैसे कि हॉस्पिटल में तो शायद अवेलेबल हो ही जाएगा वो जिप बैग और अगर किसी का घर में अगर मतलब उससे मौत हो जाए कोविड से तो वो जिप बैग जो है फटाफट में लोग लोग बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो पता नहीं है कि ये जिप बैग अवेलेबल कहाँ है और कहाँ से मिलेगा ये जिप बैग। तो इस जिप बैग की अवेलेबिलिटी कितनी है, ये 2 सवाल है।
धन्यवाद आपके सवाल के लिए।
वो जो होम कोविड मैनेजमेंट के बारे में जो आप बात कर रहे थे ना, तो होम प्रोटोकॉल है सबके लिए, तो होम मैनेजमेंट हो नहीं सकता है, लेकिन कैटेगरी ए और कैटेगरी बी जो पेशेंट्स हैं उनके लिए होम मैनेजमेंट हो सकता है। और वो एक किट भी दिया जा रहा है उन लोगों को कि वो घर में जो मैनेजमेंट कर सके। कुछ दवा है, ऑक्सीजन मॉनिटरिंग का ये है, सपोज का एक किट दिया जा रहा है, तो वो तो आपका होम मैनेजमेंट के लिए ये हो गया।
The body bags are to be available with the hospitals. Now we had a meeting yesterday also with the private hospitals. It's not only about body bag, it's about oxygen. That we pool in our ideas together, we sink in together what we have, and wherever necessary we share out. So a hospital which does not have a body bag will contact us or will contact another hospital. Now there is an app also, okay, where we have listed the resources of each and every hospital. So in case they don't have a body bag, they can just call the next hospital and then it will be provided accordingly.
Lada mental ayo ya ka first dose lani kani ka vaccination ka baningkong. Hari namar baklan ki bormet borpat te umshimshu ya ka second lani ka balai. Te hatu ka don em kono ka jingta pat de namar di banyo full dose ka tum ka jing suthu. Te lada sangap ba ong banyo tang kawai kata ka kolong incomplete. Te hadon em kono ka jingta lada umyo baro lai tili ki doses lani baro lai tili ki vaccination. Sakawai pat de. Syakini kitan jongi kamtam ni hakini kipor kibangi jiyo sunguru. Bamenta ki ong bakani ka COVID ka jingwan biang jong kani ka second wave. Kadairu tentang nakadap ka jingkala jong kamariang lani ka climatic change. Tehla dangi pek kumbolong menta syad kararu kamot sikiti ki jela ki bafer ka shit bha kamdon selap baki wat kili air kalong ka besitom. Kamtam la dangi pek ka jinglong hadelhi bawat ka jinglong stuffy bha mo. Ti kumju apa mengingi pek sikini kitan jongi ka kamlong pengat. Pagkadan kani kajing ong kabawat na do mansyuaru tang syukla ka ayom kijiyo iyo kani ka sukli kiyo bayong kli bat kumta terter. Ti hatu kadon em kajing ya day jong kani ka COVID-19. Kabalawan mensimsnem lani kani ba di second wave. Kabadon em kajing ya day malumala ka kum kajing ong lani kajinget kum makini ki riu mansyua kijo ong batang syukla ayom jukla ni kurukom. Ti malumala kum maksudhu kani ka kalam COVID kat kendai ru kaya seriem ya kani ka bayong kli kum ong lani ka flu. Hari tang gawai ko mafi pensyai mina kolong bakani ka step ha kajing pur jong kala ni kajing yabit. Ti ko bansyai kani kanang makipai ba kendam jon ya kani kajing nget ka baong nakadaw kajing long jong ka ayom la ni ka mariang kawan kani le ni ngiyo kumni la syai yang tasula yo slap le si kani kam lilasyo. Ti le syuk sim kabu.
Ba fi ong ba la shim first dose la klan ka bormet ti nai shim second dose. Kumno pitep ka klan ka bormet jong pi kat no ka klan ka bormet jong pi pimla bantep ka mo ba ka yu pisngo ting ting pisngo pi la klan ba. Kibun kibri bengi ong kilong asymptomatic kim kam pau ka bormet henry kindalek test ki shamba kilong positive nei ti pinam tep ba ka no ka don ka jing klan ka bormet mo ti ngan shu ai tang iwe i nuksa mo menta shubu pi ai rong ka ying jong pi ben ai mo arkut karong pi ai tang shikut pi kumno kata ka yeng jong pi pin ai tang shikut ne ka bhaba pi ai arkut karong jong pi kalong kumta ken pi ai vaccine pi ben ai tang shikut ne kata ka jingya da ka poi 100% kumbang iong menya tangba pi ai menta pi hab ai ardos ne dia pi hab ai ardos kan kam kiwing kata ka jingya da ya uniu covid vaccination la syai hadian habut ngimla bantep yo ngidon kam booster dose ru pi mentah pi airong kayeng mentah usnam la syam snam pi hab airong biang em na julong em kumta ti kalong kumta ru ken long ha kata ka vaksin long ko kata ka nuksa ka mga aya pi la syai hadin habut pi la ban ai ka booster dose ru nei tang ya mentah ngiong first dose but ka second dose bahkan klan kata ka jingya da jong pi.
Just to add on to that point in English, see the whole idea of vaccination, there are two main things when we're talking about vaccination. One, protect the individual. You get vaccinated, you protect yourself. Whether you're taking 1 dose or you're taking 2 doses, but you're getting some protection for yourself. The second, more important, and which serves the bigger picture, is that with vaccination, we need to achieve what we call as a herd immunity, where you protect yourself, your protection is protecting the one next to you. So to ensure that your protection is protecting the one next to you, you need to be fully vaccinated yourself. Even if you're feeling absolutely fine, even if you're feeling like you're Superman, you still need to get fully vaccinated. Because, I mean, vaccination is one thing where we shouldn't be selfish. We have to think of others also. There may be somebody near you who maybe not be eligible for vaccination, who is unable to get vaccinated. At least your protection, your vaccination ensures that that person is also being vaccinated. Now, just to add on to this, one of the, I think the lady from Meghalaya Guardian asked a very important question. When do we see the end of the pandemic? Now, that is the whole point of why we are here, just to highlight this very important fact. The end of the pandemic is when we at least achieve 90% immunity in the community, where the number of people having immunity to this virus is so high that the virus can no longer transmit. Two ways of getting it again. One way, what we saw on the TV, getting naturally infected. How many will die? That we don't know. The other, much more safer way, with just mild fever, maybe a bit of body ache for a few days, I think we can all live with that, is to get vaccinated. So to achieve that herd vaccination and stop this pandemic, we've seen what will happen if this second wave really hits us. We have a chance now to get vaccinated. So I think those images really highlight how important it is for us to get vaccinated.
Dia mentala lagi para sinong kenung sinong kimwan sakmat banyaram hakabanlik bantep bantang mo. Dia lakan ka municipal ban nakaliang halipan main kedang don ki lat jingarap ban le ka barsa.
Ka protokol ngilai kilalong very clear. Hakinu ginu ki jaka kiba hayeng kiba hasem kimla ban le ke ka bangilai ban rasi kamut na hospital nginra bet jaka ban pendat ya kaman.
Nakaliang jongi ngi kwa ban jubab sai ke jingkali bai ong irang ba sinong na mulai.
Okay.
Aba hakabaya dei bat ka COVID-19 bat ka jingkala juga mariang. Kindapet keleng ke perthai ru kam ngim sim da syam ban ong ba ka kam jur tang por shit ne ka jur tang ka por kriat. Kindapet ya ka jing syam jongi men sim snam ru kam jur ki banai telang. Le menta bala kam saat biang ru ka kisus kala kiu. Dengan trai bangin shu ong ba kan kadai kat kum ka ayom kam ya ha. Ngi hap hi ban ya le fikir iwei pa iwei ki mas sajti kiar nagi jingi bun brio yong bun brio ka jaka ki ba bolong khang yap op kita hingi bat pan vaksinate buran kam do kadai ban ya mentah hi kum bangilai ong hinadu mena iwei den iwei ka jingdon kam kadai hi vaksinate bangidon kam vaksinate mentah aki hakani ki sitayo artiyo ki banwan rei ka vaksin ru ka bahkan yo por ban trai kam kat kum ka ba katemu
Iba rang kupar ikli kini kajing kli. Hatu kiba pang thyroid, kiba dan diabetes, kiba dan blood pressure. Kiba dan diabetes, kiba dan blood pressure, kiba dan thyroid, kadon side effect na haba inject ya haba ai kani ka tika.
Kajubab kadai kidai banshim. Kam tam maki kidai banshim. Namar na ki nong pang pajba, kiba pang sini, kiba pang BP, kiba pang thyroid, kiba pang klong snam, kiba pang ki khalai, kiba pang yo liver, kiba telot akamet, kiba yap siliang, kiba duna ka jingmut jing perkhat barok ki long high risk. Te ka jingkli kam ka jubab kam dai ki long banshim, ka jingbab ka dai ki dai banshim. Ngi dai ban kentu ba makki hi ki dai banshim lingkong. Te phindapet ya ka rukom ai ya ka priority ya ka vaccination haka sarkar India ru ki ai shoy ki healthcare workers namar bakin la ban yasha ban trei hak por ba ki pang ki brio ki ai next part ya ki ba kham rang ba ki ba don jingpang te ki ba bun ki kli long ne em habang adi dawai haba phi di dawai katahi kedai kapor katahi kitai ki brio ki ba phi ban kham shim wot ki ban kham shim kloi ni ban prioritize ya ki ban ya ki we mulai shibon
Kublai. Ikong dala ikli yakani kajing kli. Hatu ki khulum ki don em hakajing ma pede bagani COVID-19.
Kidon hi kajing ma banyo kini kajing pang. Badan ki report wat khulung i badang sudap kharu ilong positif. Te ki khulung ki lai ban kontak kini kajing pang. Te kajing yada kadi banyak ki kumju ki khulung khana kham tam ki tu bami shabar bande lekai shabar bali school ni haban ya da bhai ki de man follow ki tu ki lai tali protocol bandeng ma sakti bat jengai we nei we what ngadang pulih kini singi khulung ibadang sukha ki kemi long negative ande khulung pada nei ladep kha hadin har lai singi de yo jingshit mo da kilale xe yo pneumonia bandata silong positive tingim ra banang bai bit na ki walai kemi long negative ila ban bit na kitu kinong pen kha ne kinong sumar ye hospital they have hi ban ajing ada ki khulung
People get ready. It's time for a change. A dosage is easy. Let's get rid of this pain. Humanity will thank us. Let's fight it with change. This virus can't own us. God will keep us safe. No one can stop us if we change it for love. Our leaders are giving us the healing blessed from above. Together let's go and get it. For all to be saved. Let's mend all broken hearts for shedding tears. Let's be brave. Wash your hands, square your mask, don't let it go. Oh no! Let God's protection guide and bless us through. Heal the world for them, for me and you. No one can stop us if we change it for love. Our leaders are giving us the healing blessed from above.
Let's all take this chance now
To save our own race,
Mother Earth for her healing grace. Vaccination.